Hi everyone, my name is Eddy. Welcome to my kitchen. This video I'm gonna show you how to make one kind of dim sum called the Siu Mai. Let's get started. To make a Siu Mai, what I got here, okay, here is the basic pork filling. If you want to know how to prepare the pork filling, you can click the link here. See how I preparing the basic pork filling. And I got the prawns here. Here is about 20 pieces, and the size, as you can see, here we call it 31 to 40 size. You can either smaller, no problem, but I don't recommend getting too big. All right, this is perfect size. This is I have rehydrated stake mushroom. Okay, and you need is just chop like this, a small piece, chunk piece, and I also have some green peas. Okay, this is for the garnish. And also you need a dumpling pastry. Okay, like this. You can purchase the dumpling pastry from the local Asian market. All right, but this is my handmade. If you want to know how I made this pastry, you can see our video how to make a dumpling pastry. Okay. Oh, sorry, almost forget. Obviously, you need a steamer, good steamer. Okay, let's get started. All right. First of all, let's prepare our steamer. I got one little bamboo steamer, and this is the baking paper. And just cut the hole like this in wrong one. If you want to know how I cutting the hole, you can check our video how I cutting the baking paper for the steamer. Okay, all you need to do just placing at the bottom, and let's get the standby ready here. Then now let's go to make our filling. Okay, to make a filling, the prawn. First of all, I will pick up some slightly small one. Good for me. Okay, it's about a half there. Okay, now here I keep the 10 we later use, and this the half about the 10. First of all, this we're going to just chop up. How to chop up is, let me show you the quick way. All you need to do just bigger touch and just like this. Alright, there is good. With this chop, then we just mix prawn with our basic pork filling. And also, sorry, another one ingredient is the stake mushroom, or I already chopped, as you can see, the small pieces. Let's go in. Here is about 5 medium-sized pieces of the chopped stake mushroom. Okay, now all we need to do, just mix all the ingredients together. Okay, now just rolling up like me. Yep. Okay, until all combined together like this. Okay, that is good. Me now, let's stand by. Now we gotta start working on the pastry. Okay, let me move all this along. Alright, here we got this our basic dumpling pastry. Okay, you can check our other video how I made this dumpling pastry, basic dumpling pastry. Now I want to make a nice rainbow shape on the edge. So how to make the nice shape rainbows like this? Okay, first of all, now we get your roller. What I'm going to do is just rolling on the edge all around. Okay, watch me like this. Okay, it's about a centimeter wide, or either just 1 finger wide. Rolling all the way, go over. Okay, just remember go over. You don't want to just keep rolling on one edge. Just roll over like this. Done. Then returning other side. You see. Then technique, rolling all over. Okay, then turning, rolling all over, turning, rolling all over. Just keep going until all the shape you roll over like this. And okay, this is good. As you can see, the shape is getting ripples. Okay, now let's finish all the. Let me show you one more time. Roll over, turning around, roll over. Just like this. Keep working on the edge of the pastry. This. Okay, that's good. Okay, now you can see the ripples on the edge. Okay, now let's start making up our siu mai. Okay, to make a siu mai, the best tool what I found is this. You can see this is like a ice lolly stick. Okay, to make a siu mai, let me show you. Okay, let me clean up a little bit. Okay, get the one rolling nice pastry and start working on it. There you go. Okay, this siu mai filling probably we were slightly bigger than the dumpling. Okay, it's just slightly bigger than the dumpling. I would like to say it's about 1.5 tablespoon. Okay, hold it in here. Then instead of, people always think I want to put it into the pastry. Let's think another way around. Instead of putting into the pastry, what you mean like this, just cover it, okay, all over. Then start rolling your finger like this. Make sure it's shape. Okay, just form up. That's what I mean, form up. Okay, look, magic happen. Turning upside down, but your hand must be hold like a mold. Turning upside down, then go into your finger. Look, beautiful. Then you start to use your stick. Start open, rolling like this. Okay, then start to open up like that. Okay, then at the same time, all your finger need a like almost as like a mold. Okay, not almost as mold. You must hold this shape. Then working on your stick. Open it up. Then you can use your stick other side. You see this side is the filling. This side just make it flat. This one is for helping standing. Okay, like that. Let me show you. Just make sure we can double check the balance is good. Look, that is good, right? Beautiful. Okay, now that is ready. Okay, sorry, I need to take this down. Then that is ready to placing in our steamer like this. Okay, that how beautiful shape is there. Okay, then as you can see, I keep some whole prawns. The reason I say must choose the smaller prawns because this one will be garnished on top of our siu mai. Okay, then this little green pea, just make sure the garnish to the bed in the middle. All right, this is how to make the siu mai, pork and the prawn siu mai shaped nicely like this. Okay, then just repeat. Okay, hold this, then let's get the filling wrong about. Okay, then cover it up. Then we started making the shape in here. Then turning upside down. Okay, and start working. You want to kind of like a press, and like a butter, open it up like this. Make sure button shape like this can be balanced. Okay, let me see. If not balanced, let's make sure balance like this. Okay, good balance. And maybe go into the steamer. Then we just garnish with our whole prawns like that. Okay, make sure stand it properly. And final garnish with a little pea. Okay. Right, how simple is that? Let's carry on to finish all. Yeah. All right, now I'm done my siu mai. Now it's going to steamer. Okay. All right, remember let your water boil before you put the siu mai on. Okay. All right. Now my water is boiling. Now let's go put on a Siu Mai on. Okay, make sure it's balanced. Okay, good for me. Now heat on. All right, then let's keep medium high heat for about 8 minutes. All right, now it's already about 8 minutes. Now let's see, this should be done already. Okay, yo, be careful, it's quite hot. Yeah, look, that's beautiful. You can see. Okay, now we can just turn off our heat, and I like a serve straight away on a bamboo steamer. All right, here you go. And if you like, you can serve with the normal dumpling dipping sauce. All right, it's basically just mixed with the 2 tablespoons of the soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of the vinegar, and about 1 teaspoon sesame oil. And I like some spice, so I chop a little bit of fresh chili. Yeah, that's it. All right. All right, this is the how I make the siu mai. Okay, it's very easy and simple and very delicious. All right. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget click like and subscribe. I see you next time on Eddy's Kitchen.